Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through how to make the 8 cube organizer storage by Room Essentials from Target. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I already took everything out of the box and I am going to just walk you through really quick before we get started. The directions are in the box and I am just double checking to make sure that I have everything. So I have everything here. Just want to make sure you have everything before you get started. And then on this side, I'm walking through this as well. And it says that I need to have 2 of the A, which is the side panel. Okay, so these right here are A. So you're supposed to have 2 of those. And you're supposed to have 2 of the B, which is this one. I have 2 of these, and you'll see the letter here. If you're looking for the letters, they're on the side, so just make sure you can see that. Okay, so B. So I have 2 of those, and I'm supposed to have 1 C, which you'll see that says C right there. And we need to have 4 of the E's. So 4 of these and 6 of these. And this is D for David. So we have everything that we need. So we're going to get started. So what I'm going to use is a hammer and a Phillips screwdriver. If you don't know what Phillips is, it's just like the star. Has a star at the bottom. Okay, so I recommend doing this on carpet because you want to have that cushion underneath. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is use a B, which is one of these, and we're going to grab the short and the long dowels. This is long and this is short. Okay, so I have a B board. I'm going to need 3 of the D, which is the small square, to start with. So we're going to also use the small dowels and the big dowels. So the first thing it says is to use the small dowels first. So we're going to go ahead and open the package and get 3. Okay, so I have 12 of these. I'm going to go ahead and put this. Remember, this is the short one. Go ahead and put them in. Okay, so I have those in, and then you'll want to note that the white part is facing me, and the not painted side, is facing the other side. So you want to just pay attention to those details because you're not going to want to have to redo it. So I'm going to take the first section, and we want to make sure that we put it on so that this white is matching that white. And we're going to go ahead and put that on here. And there's holes that you're going to connect. Okay. So that one's right there. We're going to do the exact same. You want to make sure the white is facing me. And I'm just placing it right over the wood peg and pushing down on it. Okay, and this is the third one. So again, do want to make sure the white is facing us to match the white that's here. And you're going to push down. So that's first step. Okay, so now we're going to use the long dowels. Let me open this. And again, you know the difference just because one's short, one's long. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use these. And we're going to place this here. And just kind of push down, push there. Okay, I'm going to place this in here, 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 and here. Okay, so now I'm going to use the C board. And remember it says C on the other side. And again, you want to make sure that the white is facing you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and line it up on here. Here and here. Move this. Sorry if my head is in the way. And let me kind of move this one. Okay, so now they are all lined up, and I'm gonna go ahead and push down. Okay. And you can see that this is all the way down. Okay. Now we are going to use the other squares. And again, you just want to make sure that you line this up the same way as what you have. So if you have white, have that match the white. If it's the unfinished way that's towards you, just have it matched up. Okay? Okay, so now we're ready to put the top on. So we need this short dowels for this one. So we'll place those in here. Okay, so I just placed the B board on top. And you want to place the side, again, that matches the side that you're doing. And you also want to make sure that you place it with the side with the hole, the 3 holes here on the bottom and 3 there to line it up. Okay, so let's go ahead, line it up. Use a little muscle, so that's good. Okay, so for this one, we're going to need these screws, and they call these the number 5. So if you look on here, number 5 is what they're talking about. If you look on the sheet, number 5 is this one. So you'll see that that's the screw, or that's the screw. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, and we're gonna use, there's 2 boards left, and those are the A boards. So there's 2 A boards left. So we're gonna go ahead and open the screws and grab your Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so here is, let me push this down a little bit. Okay, so here is the side. So there's 3 boards, okay? So I'm grabbing the A board. And again, pay attention to, my head is stuck on this, sorry. Pay attention to where you're placing the board. You want to, again, match it up with white, or whatever. So we're going to line it up here. And it actually says on the instructions that you need 2 people to assemble this. Well, I'm doing it by myself, and I'm doing pretty good. So if you're want to do it by yourself as well, it is very manageable. Obviously, what I did is, because it is very heavy, I opened it, and I opened it in the garage, and then I just brought piece by piece in, you know, whatever I could carry. So that is how you do that. And then we're going to go ahead and screw this. And there are 6 screws for this side. And I didn't screw it all the way in yet. I like to go ahead and put the screws in, make sure that they all fit, and then I tighten it. Okay, so let's go ahead and line this up. Which, let me line up the bottom first. Okay, so I'm doing the top and the bottom first, and then I'm going to line up the middle. Okay, so this side is completely done, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it over and do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay, so I have both of them on, both sides. Okay, so that part's done. Okay, so now we are going to take 3 of the screws, and there are 3 holes on top. We're going to go ahead and screw this in. So there's 3. And we're almost done. All the hard part, I think, is done. And we have to do this one. Okay, so all this part is done. So now we're gonna lay it down with this white part touching the ground, because we want to put the backs on. Okay, so these are E, and they say E on them. So we have 4 of these. So we're gonna go ahead and take this. And I'm just doing what they're doing in the picture, as far as kind of like up, down, if you can see the pattern. So I'm gonna go ahead and line it up that way. Okay, and also you want the white to be on the inside facing down, because that looks a lot nicer than this being on there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so you'll see that there are 3 little holes right here, one, and then 3 on top. So there's 3, there's 3 on every side. So what you're gonna do is line it up. So you're gonna go ahead and take a screw, and they're the only screws that are left. They're the tiny packet, so you can't go wrong. And let's make sure we're lined up. And I'm gonna go ahead and we'll start here. We're gonna go ahead and tap it. In. You reach over here, and you'll hopefully not see my arm right in the way, but then, so what I'm gonna do is do top, bottom. Okay, so I did top and bottom, okay? And then I'm gonna do the sides and the corners last. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So now I'm going to continue to do the rest. Go ahead and do the rest that you see, and just do the exact same thing, and I'll be back. Okay, so we have 2 parts left. This package is so you can attach it to the wall so it doesn't fall on you. And these right here are the little decorative pieces that go over the screw. So I am going to go ahead and get those ready to put on. Take them out of the bag. Okay, so this is the top, and I'm just going to take this and place it here, and the other one here. And you use a hammer very gently because you don't want to scratch it, and you just do that. Okay, so here are the sides, and there are a bunch on here. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Just kind of stick it in there, and then hammer. And that's it, you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and clean it up because it is a little dirty from the box once I'm done. And I'll let you guys see what it looks like. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. It can go vertical, horizontal,